Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be putting this A-Maze-N Pellet Smoker to the test. So in one of my videos I had somebody ask me if I could use this pellet smoker, A-Maze-N Pellet Smoker, to smoke some chips. Fill it up as if you would pellets, but you like just kind of put them on top, and then afterwards just kind of flatten them out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to try to use one of these fire starters to turn it on. A lot of the stuff that you see here, I have a link on the description below of this video if you want to go ahead and purchase some of these items through Amazon. But let's go ahead and try turning this on to see if this thing will actually smoke. It's been about 15 or 20 minutes. Judging by this, it will smoke. Look, it is working. The only thing is, it doesn't look like it'll last that as long as the pellet, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna throw this in my smoker. Well, that answers that question. I put it in for about 5 minutes. I was about to come and start recording to see how much smoke it would come out with, and it died on me. And the reason for it, the reason this happened was because since it's not as compact as it should be, the flames do not get a chance to catch onto each other to the other parts of the wood, so that's why it turned off. So yeah, that was a bust, but that's why we do these videos, right? To learn. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out my other videos on my smoking channel. See you next time.